How to fix Spotify something went wrong or try again error on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you are getting something went wrong, try again error or login error on Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data and check whether that will help you fix your problem or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to clear cache and data for the application. Then you have to navigate to your Spotify application in your mobile device, tap and hold on it, and then tap on account or app info. Under the app info here, scroll down a bit and tap on storage and cache, and then here tap on clear cache. After that, reopen the Spotify and try to log in again and check whether that will help you fix your problem or not. If still not, and ensure that you have the latest version of Spotify installed in your device. Now to update the application, you have to open up Google Play Store in your device and in the search bar, type in Spotify and make sure that the application is updated. If any update is available, tap on update. After that, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then make sure that you have not used any of the VPNs or ad blockers. If so, disable them. And if that still does not help you, simply uninstall Spotify from your device and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Restart your phone, log in back again and check whether the problem is now solved or not. So that's how you can fix if you get Spotify something went wrong, try again error. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.